Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a daily schedule in Canva. First, let's go to canva.com and we're going to create a design. Let's click here on text. We're gonna add a heading. We can change the font size and also the color. Here, we're gonna click on Elements. We're gonna choose Shapes. We're gonna choose this one right here. I'm going to resize it. I'm going to copy and paste. And I'm going to add a text. We're gonna change the color. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to type the time. Let's type 6 o'clock. And then we're gonna go up here. And we're going to click here, the one that is underlined. Okay, I'm gonna go again to Elements and I'm gonna choose this shape. Okay, let's copy and paste and we're gonna add some text. Here I'm gonna change the color for the lines that I have right here. Here you can choose background and you can change to any color or a different background that you like. You can also add stickers. For the stickers, just click on elements and type a word. For example, breakfast or lunch. You will have a lot of options. Okay, so the document is ready. Now we're going to download it. You're gonna click here. You can choose PDF or you can choose to download it as a picture. So here you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.